quest for success, whether in personal life, business, or tech innovation, first principles thinking offers a powerful tool for problem solving and strategic planning. This approach, rooted in fundamental truths, enables you to break down complex problems and rebuild them from the ground up, often leading to breakthrough insights and solutions. This video explores the essence of first principles thinking, its applications, and how it can pave the way to success. Understanding first principles thinking. First principles thinking is a foundational approach that involves deconstructing a problem into its most basic elements, or first principles, and then reconstructing a solution from these basic truths. The method contrasts with reasoning by analogy, where solutions are derived from comparisons with similar problems. Instead, first principles thinking demands a return to the basics, questioning every assumption until the fundamental truths are revealed. The concept has roots in ancient philosophy, particularly in the works of Aristotle, who defined first principles as the first basis from which a thing is known. In modern times, it has been popularized by visionaries like Elon Musk, who credits first principles thinking for much of his success in various industries, including space travel and electric vehicles. Power of first principles thinking. Number 1. Identify and define the problem. Clearly articulate the problem you are facing. This involves understanding the scope and the desired outcome. Number 2. Break down the problem. Decompose the problem into its most fundamental parts. This step requires questioning every aspect of the problem and stripping away assumptions and conventions. Number 3. Analyze and understand first principles. Examine the basic elements identified in the previous step. These are the immutable truths of scientific facts that form the foundation of the problem. Number 4. Reconstruct from the ground up. Use the first principles to develop new solutions. The step often involves innovative thinking and can lead to novel approaches that differ significantly from traditional methods. Applications in various fields. First principles thinking can be applied across numerous domains, from science and engineering to business and personal development. Here are a few examples. Number 1. Tech and engineering. Elon Musk's approach to developing SpaceX and Tesla highlights the power of first principles thinking. Instead of accepting the high cost of building rockets as a given, Musk deconstructed the problem. By identifying the basic materials required and calculating their costs, he discovered that building rockets could be much cheaper than previously thought. This realization enabled SpaceX to develop affordable and reusable rockets, revolutionizing the space industry. Number 2. Business strategy. In business, first principles thinking can lead to innovative strategies and competitive advantages. For example, when Jeff Bezos founded Amazon, he identified a fundamental truth. The internet would revolutionize retail by providing a platform for a vast selection of goods at lower prices. By building Amazon's business model around this principle, Bezos created a disruptive force in the retail industry. Number 3. Personal development. On a personal level, first principles thinking can help people achieve success by fostering a mindset of critical thinking and continuous improvement. For instance, someone looking to improve their health might break down the problem into basic components such as diet, exercise, and sleep. By understanding the fundamental principles of nutrition and physiology, they can develop a customized health plan that is more effective than generic advice. Number 4. Human psychology. The human brain functions on meta code that runs all incentives and decision making. It's called the life force 8. By aligning with this principle and building your biz and life around it, you can master the game of life. Benefits of first principles thinking. The advantages of first principles thinking are multiple. Number 1. Innovation. By focusing on fundamental truths, first principles thinking encourages creative problem solving and the development of novel solutions. Number 2. Efficiency. This approach eliminates unnecessary complexity and assumptions, leading to more efficient and streamlined processes. Number 3. Clarity. Breaking down problems into their basic elements provides clarity, making it easier to understand and address the core issues. Number 4. Resilience. Solutions derived from first principles are often more robust and adaptable, as they are built on solid foundations rather than fragile assumptions. Challenges and considerations. While first principles thinking is powerful, it is not without its challenges. It requires a willingness to question deeply held beliefs and the ability to think critically and analytically. Additionally, the process can be mentally demanding as it involves extensive research and introspection. The applicability of first principles thinking can also vary depending on the problem at hand. However, you can shorten the process by using mental models. Implementing first principles thinking. To successfully implement first principles thinking, consider the following steps. Number 1. Cultivate a curious mindset. Foster curiosity and a willingness to question assumptions. Encourage asking why and how repeatedly until reaching the core principles. Number 2. Gather knowledge. Equip yourself with a broad base of knowledge across relevant domains. This interdisciplinary understanding can aid in identifying the true first principles. Number 3. Collaborate and seek feedback. Engage with others to a wide perspective and challenge your thinking. Collaboration can help uncover blind spots and refine your understanding of the fundamental elements. Number 4. Practice regularly. Like any skill, first principles thinking improves with practice. Regularly apply this approach to various problems, both big and small, to enhance your proficiency. Conclusion. First principles thinking is a transformative approach that can lead to significant success across multiple fields. By breaking down complex problems into their most basic elements and rebuilding solutions from these foundations, both people and organizations can achieve innovation, efficiency, and clarity. While the method requires effort and critical thinking, its benefits far outweigh the challenges, making it a valuable tool for anyone seeking to excel in their endeavors. Embracing first principles thinking can unlock new possibilities and pave the way for breakthroughs that propel you towards success. If this video helped you, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share, and click link in description for more.